Begin here. Hard to find 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 2CR garage? Just minutes from OSU. This charming home has updated wood floors, open floor plan with a nice kitchen. All appliances stay including the refrigerator and washer dryer. Dining area off kitchen and door leading to a shaded fenced backyard. 2-car garage is perfect for the Oklahoma weather. Take advantage of owning instead of renting. Low interest rates, home buyers down payment assistance program available to qualified buyers. Call for more information.